What's up guys? How are you? We are listing top 5 best outdoor water fountains for 2022 in this video. No products price, any question, more products information from link in the description. We are update best prices for best products. So like, comment this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Now let's get starting. Number 5 Alpine Corporation, LED Light Water Jar Fountain, 32-inch tall. Garden water fountain with cool white LED lights is the perfect addition to your outdoor decor, and features an interior pump that keeps the water flowing. Just plug it in. Water trickles from the top of the jar to mimic the sounds of a trickling stream, adding peaceful ambience to your outdoor setting. Turquoise cracked jar design adds a vintage yet modern look to your outdoor space. Fiberglass and concrete construction is rust and weather resistant to keep your outdoor fountain looking new over time. Your indoor and outdoor living spaces will be the envy of the neighborhood with our wide assortment of fresh, fashionable and contemporary products, from beautifully crafted solar garden stakes featuring patented motion and fiber optic lighting technology to beautiful fountains and delightful bird baths and feeders. Standing fountain and 1-year warranty. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 4 Design Toscano Water Fountain with LED Light, Hadrian's Villa 4 Water and Garden Decor Fountain, Outdoor Water Feature. Sure to be the crowning statement on your garden patio, multiple cascading streams of water flow over the faux granite rock fountain designed to create an in-home oasis and peaceful, meditative atmosphere. Enjoy our water feature LED fountain lights in the evening on your garden patio with the sparkling glow of low-voltage LED lights. Hand-cast using real crushed stone bonded with durable designer resin. Our easy-to-set-up water fountains require no additional plumbing and include adjustable UL-approved, indoor-outdoor fountain pumps. Just assemble, fill them with water to completely submerge the pump and plug it into a standard electrical outlet. Now enjoy the sounds of water music. Our perfectly sized water fountain for your lawn, patio or outdoor decor. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 3 Alpine Corporation 43 inches to 43 inches tall outdoor multi-tier modern industrial metal fountain. Industrial fountain is the perfect addition to your decor, and features an interior pump that keeps the water flowing. Just plug it in. Water cascades down each tier to mimic the sounds of a real waterfall, adding peaceful ambience to your outdoor space. Sleek stone look offers a cosmopolitan look that is stylish with any decor. Zinc construction is rust and weather resistant to keep your fountain looking new over time. Your outdoor living spaces will be the envy of the neighborhood with our wide assortment of fresh, fashionable and contemporary products, from beautifully crafted solar garden stakes featuring patented motion and fiber optic lighting technology to gorgeous glass and glow-in-the-dark bird baths and feeders. Standing fountain and 1-year warranty. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 2 John Timberland, Dancing Couple Modern Zen Outdoor Floor Water Fountain. 57 inches high water fountain with LED light for garden patio yard deck. Home lawn porch house relaxation, exterior balcony. 57 inches high by 18 inches wide by 10 inches deep. Holds approximately 2 gallons of water. Weighs 28.5 pounds modern fountain from the John Timberland brand. Place on a patio or use inside for a touch of Zen fountain sound. Water cascades and ripples down inner element into the lower water basin. 2 built-in LEDs light the design at night. Lights are on whenever the fountain is plugged in. Black and gray stone finish. Lightweight resin construction makes the design easy to move and position. Plug-in fountain. Includes water pump, connectors, and 6-foot-long cord. A contemporary and sleek fountain will add a chic touch to your indoor or outdoor living space. The contrasting textures and colors of a couple dancing bring a romantic air with an interesting Zen fountain dynamic. The fountain is well lit for a dramatic nighttime effect. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. At last, number 1 Lamps Plus, 4-bowl outdoor floor water fountain. 41 inches high water fountain cascading for garden patio yard deck. Home lawn porch house relaxation. Exterior balcony. Sitting on arched pillars, this lovely high cascading fountain boasts 4 intricately designed bowls in a faux stone finish. Water gently pours into each pool, providing a soothing sound that's enjoyable for indoor and outdoor areas. This beige and brown faux stone fountain also features LED lights designed to illuminate the flowing water at night. With lightweight construction and the flexibility to place it nearly anywhere in the home, This waterfall fountain will instantly enhance the serenity and beauty of any garden and living space. 4 decorative bowls pour into one large basin to create this stunning beige and brown fountain that can be used in both indoor and outdoor areas. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com.